Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to say out loud. While you're panicking about AI taking your job, the smartest professionals are already using tools like Warmwind to become irreplaceable. I just spent 3 weeks testing Warmwind's AI operating system, the first platform that lets you deploy actual AI agents that work like human employees in the cloud. And what I discovered flips everything you think you know about AI and job security completely upside down. Everyone's asking the wrong question. Instead of, will AI replace me? You should be asking, how can I become the person who orchestrates AI? Because here's what's actually happening. While basic task doers are getting automated away, a new elite class of AI conductors is emerging. These people aren't competing with AI, they're commanding it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to join them. I'm going to show you the counterintuitive secret that separates those who get displaced by AI from those who become exponentially more valuable because of it. This isn't about learning to code or becoming a prompt engineer. This is about understanding something most people won't figure out until it's too late. Let me guess your current AI anxiety. If AI can do my spreadsheet analysis, write my emails, and manage my calendar, what's left for me? This is the exact wrong way to think about tools like Warmwind. When I first logged into Warmwind and watched an AI agent pull data from 3 different CRMs, merge it, and create a Tableau dashboard, all without writing a single line of code, my initial reaction was the same as yours probably is right now. Well, there goes another job. But then I started thinking like a systems architect instead of a task doer. Here's the misconception that's killing careers. AI makes everything easier so my skills become less valuable. Wrong. AI makes execution easier, but orchestration becomes exponentially more valuable. Think about it this way. When calculators were invented, did mathematicians become obsolete? The ones who learned to leverage calculators to solve bigger, more complex problems became more valuable than ever. The ones who insisted on doing arithmetic by hand got left behind. The same pattern is happening right now with AI agents. I watched a marketing director use Warmwind's social media agent to automate content creation, scheduling, and engagement tracking, but here's what made her irreplaceable. She didn't just set it and forget it. She used the time freed up to analyze competitor strategies, identify emerging trends, and develop creative campaigns that no AI could conceive. The AI handled the execution, she handled the strategy. Another example, a financial analyst deployed Warmwind's accounting agent to process invoices and generate reports. Basic work, right? But then he used those insights to identify cash flow patterns, negotiate better payment terms, and propose operational improvements that saved his company $200,000 annually. The AI handled the data processing. He handled the business intelligence. Here's the pattern emerging. The professionals who survive and thrive aren't the ones trying to outcompete AI at routine tasks. They're the ones who become AI multipliers, people who can take what AI produces and transform it into strategic advantage. But there's a catch most people miss entirely. You can't just randomly deploy AI agents and hope for the best. There's a specific methodology for becoming an AI conductor rather than an AI victim, and it starts with understanding what I call the Warmwind paradox. Here's the secret that separates AI conductors from AI casualties. The most valuable skill in an AI-driven world isn't technical, it's architectural. I call it the Warmwind paradox because it's counterintuitive. The more AI agents you can successfully orchestrate, the more human you become. Let me break this down into a framework I call the A.C.E Method, architect the system. Instead of asking, what can this AI do? Ask, what system of AIs can I create? With Warmwind, you're not just deploying one agent, you're designing an ecosystem. The social media agent feeds insights to the customer support agent. The accounting agent triggers alerts for the sales team. You become the conductor of an AI orchestra. C. Curate the outputs. AI agents produce raw material. Your job is to refine it into gold. That customer support agent can handle 80% of inquiries automatically, but you're the one who spots the patterns, identifies systemic issues, and turns customer feedback into product improvements. E. Evolve the strategy. This is where most people fail. They set up their AI agents and walk away. But the real value comes from continuously optimizing, expanding, and connecting your AI systems to create competitive advantages your competitors can't replicate. Here's a practical example. I helped a consulting firm implement this framework. They used Warmwind's recruiting agent to screen candidates, the DevOps agent to monitor client systems, and the innovation scout to track industry trends. But the magic happened when they connected these systems. The recruiting agent's candidate analysis informed their hiring strategy. The DevOps insights became consulting opportunities. The innovation trends became thought leadership content. They weren't just using AI, they were creating an intelligent business ecosystem. The result? Their productivity increased 300%. But more importantly, their strategic value to clients became irreplaceable. Now let me show you how to apply the A.C.E method to your specific situation, because the implementation looks different depending on your role. For knowledge workers, start with Warmwind's Innovation Scout and Competition Tracking agents. While they gather intelligence, you become the strategic interpreter. I watched a product manager use this combo to identify 3 emerging market opportunities before competitors even knew they existed. The AI gathered the data, she connected the dots. For managers, deploy the customer support and social media agents, but here's the key. Use their outputs to build predictive models. One retail manager noticed his customer support agent was flagging specific product complaints. Instead of just fixing individual issues, he identified supply chain problems before they became crises. The AI provided the signals, he provided the foresight. For entrepreneurs, this is where the A.C.E method becomes explosive. Use multiple Warmwind agents to create what I call intelligence loops. The social media agent identifies trending topics, the content agent creates materials, the customer support agent gathers feedback, and the innovation scout spots new opportunities. You become the central nervous system of a learning organization. But here's where most people mess this up. They try to automate everything at once. The smart approach? Start with one agent that handles your most time-consuming repetitive task. Master the A.C.E method with that single agent. Then gradually expand your ecosystem. A common mistake I see, people focus on the wrong metrics. They celebrate how many tasks their AI agents complete per hour. Wrong metric. The right metric is how many strategic opportunities you can identify and act on because you're not buried in routine work. Another pitfall, treating AI agents like employees instead of tools. You wouldn't hire a human employee and never check their work. Same with AI agents. The most successful implementers spend 20% of their time optimizing their AI systems and 80% leveraging the insights those systems provide. Real talk. Some of you are thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. You're right, it is. But here's the alternative. In 2 years, someone else will be using this exact framework to make your role obsolete. The companies already implementing this approach aren't just more efficient, they're operating at a completely different level. They're making decisions faster, identifying opportunities earlier, and solving problems before competitors even recognize them. This isn't about working harder, it's about working at a higher level of abstraction. While others are still doing tasks, you're designing systems. While others are reacting to problems, you're preventing them. Here's your homework. Identify the one repetitive task that's consuming the most of your strategic thinking time. Sign up for Warmwind's waitlist at warmwind.space and deploy your first AI agent to handle that task. But don't stop there. Apply the A.C.E method, architect a system around that agent, curate its outputs into strategic insights, and evolve your approach based on what you learn. Try this for 30 days. I guarantee you'll start seeing opportunities you never noticed before. The future belongs to AI conductors, not AI competitors. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, it's whether you'll be the one directing that change or reacting to it. Drop a comment below with the first task you're going to automate. I'll be responding with specific implementation tips. And if you want to see exactly how I set up my own AI agent ecosystem, hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm doing a deep dive into the specific prompts and workflows that transformed my consulting practice.